So if you've got a Toyota Tacoma 2.4 4-cylinder, rough idle, vibration at the stoplights, it's been there since you bought it, you've tried vacuum leaks, spark plugs, coil packs, wires, everything that anybody says, torque converter, rubber exhaust hangers, motor mounts, blah, blah, blah. If you've tried any of that and it's not, none of that's fixed it, or if you want to skip right to the problem. Now, a lot of times it will be condensation down in a plug boot or bad plugs, but this is the Toyota problem. Nobody seems to see. No, it goes to the, it really seems like a misfire sitting at a red light. You would almost swear, and there's excess vibration when you are idling, and also when you press the gas pedal, it will clear up almost instantly. But here's the problem. Fan clutch, instead of just spinning normally, it wobbles side to side. A lot of guys that work on your own cars, and what it does, it allows a fan clutch to get out of round so bad that it's almost like having a wheel weight sling off your wheel. It gets out of vibration bad. So this is happening all the time to people. There's no answers on the internet for it. Again, this is for a rough idle, vibration at the red lights, excess vibration when you're idling, and even a little bit when you give it gas. But normally this clears up. Once you give it gas, this thing self-centers and it does not vibrate anymore. So to change it, just unbolt the fan shroud for 12 millimeters on the water pump, take the shroud and the fan out, one piece assembly, and that's it. This is the solution.